In a last session, we learned about how you are going to display the list of names, first name, last name with the props. Now we are going to learn about how you are going to display with the conditional rendering. It means based on the condition you need to display. So I'm going to take a tag and copy paste and remove the first name. So I'm just passing, not passing anything, first name and last, no data passing. So let's check it now. I'm not going to make any changes here. Simply I'll add a condition here. So conditions like where what is going to be displayed if the first name and last name is not available. In case this data is not available, so no first name and last name, right? So the data is not available. So you are going to display this as invalid data. Just making a change here to display if the first name and last name is not there. So based on the just I'm adding a condition here. So based on the condition, if the first name and last name is not available, it displays the invalid data. Yep. So it's the bottom invalid data. Now I'm going to add another condition which the specific name want to make it as a child. So in that case, I just need to add a condition. If the first name equal to the person, I'm taking here Smith, and I'm going to show some color. It is just an example, like, so generally the general case is like based on the age, we'll calculate the age based on the age. So I'm just giving an example like how the condition works. Color blue, name child. Oops, some error message. Okay, it's not in single quotation. Yes. Yep, it's displayed now, child. The name is equal to Smith, display as